Hey guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. If this is the sort of content that you do enjoy, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So following on from the last video guys, you would have known I bought this Astra cdti SRI 150 for the pricely sum of £200. Now after finding out that we had major issues with the engine, there was only one option, and that was to replace it. And if you remember, we left off, we had snapped the oil feed banjo bolt for the turbo oil feed. So I don't know if I showed this in the last video, but obviously as we was changing the engine, we needed to change the oil, the filters, also the gearbox oil and all the coolant. So this is how she sat, because obviously we broke the banjo bolt on a bank holiday weekend, so we had to wait till Tuesday to get it up and running. So there's just a gearbox oil that we bought from Halfords. So now we've got the banjo bolt all sorted, the whole front end can go back to this car. And as you would have seen guys, that man is my next door neighbour, Nathan. It's a big massive shout out to him for all the work that he's done with this car, helping me trying to get it back on the road. So massive thanks to you, mate. Cheers again. And what I'm showing you guys, for those that don't know, is the swirl flap bungs to delete the swirl flaps. So now all the front end can go back together, all the supports and all the bumper bars and reinforcement. And there she is, all back together. And does she run, guys? Of course she does. Sounds sweet as a nut. There's been a new timing belt on this car, new clutch. The EGR's been blanked off. Swirl flaps have been blanked off and remapped. This car, I've had a little bit of money spent to it. And there she is for the first time in 6 months. She's up, running and driving. So as you would have seen guys, the colour match on this wing mirror is not very good at all. So we started just sanding him down with a 400 grit just to get rid of all the blemishes and get rid of all the lacquer. Then we went over with some plastic primer, just a few coats lightly. So this is all sped up guys. After I primed it with the primer, I sanded it down with the 800 wet and dry. Before we moved on to the actual base colour. Now I love these spray cans, extra wide nozzle on them makes spraying an absolute breeze. And just a bit of a tip, don't try and spray everything all in one go guys. Build it up light, start off with a light coat, then a little bit more until you get your desired finish. And then obviously wait about an hour, then smash your clear coat on. And the colour match, I'm very happy with this. I do have to spray the bumper. I've bought a new one with the additional XP front lip splitter, which is in a lot better condition than the one that's on. But guys, that's for the next episode. So guys, I do hope you've enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Take care.